Hello, welcome to this course. In this video course, I'm going to talk about Teespring and give you some tips to profit from Teespring. If you haven't heard of Teespring, it's one of the hottest crazes online right now in terms of making money online. And there are some people making six figures a month through Teespring. And so what Teespring is, it's actually a site that you can go to, teespring.com, and on the site you could design your own shirts, and they would print out the shirts and ship it out for you. Now the only thing is you'd have to sell a minimum number of shirts in order for you to get paid and in order for them to print them out and ship them out, and that minimum number is 10. Now you could set that minimum to a higher number, such as 20 or even 100 or 1,000 shirts. So what you would do is you would start a campaign here on teespring.com and design your own shirts, and that campaign could last anywhere from 3 days to 21 days. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to design your own shirts on the site and to start your own campaign.